Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hasib Yasir, and today I am going to tell you that how can you implement 7 basic logic gates with their complete working and functionality and simulation. So here is the schematic circuit for 7 basic logic gates. I will tell you about the working and schematic circuit of each gate one by one. So let's start with OR gate. Here is the circuit for OR gate. It consists of a DC supply of 5 volt, 2 push buttons, 2 1K resistors, 1 OR gate IC and 1 LED. Before going to show you the simulation for this OR gate, I would like to tell you about the working and truth table of this OR gate. So let's have a look on it. Here is the truth table for OR gate. It is represented by logical expression as A or B or A plus B. As OR gate is represented by symbol plus, it consists of two inputs A and B, and at output we have A plus B. 0 represents logic low and 1 represents logic high. So if we have 0 at input, it means push button is off, and if we have 1 at input, it means push button is on. So first discuss the case of 0 0. If we have 0 0 at input, at output what we have 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, if we have 0 at A and 1 at B, at output what we have 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, if we have 1 0 at input, at output we have 1. If we have 1 1 at input, at output we have 1. So let me show you the schematic circuit for this OR gate. Here is the schematic circuit of OR gate. So let's start simulation. First case, if we have 0 0 at input, so LED is off, which means that at 0 0 we have 0 at output. For 1 0, LED is on, which means at output we have 1. If we have 0 1 at input, at output LED is on, which means at output we have 1. Likewise, if we have 1 1 at input, at output LED is also on. It represents the symbol state 1. So it is the working of OR gate. Now let's move to the next circuit. Here is a circuit for AND gate. Before going to show you the simulation for AND gate, I would like to tell you about the working and truth table of AND gate. So let's have a look on it. Here is the truth table for AND gate. AND gate, the Boolean expression for AND gate can be written as A and B and A dot B. So AND gate is represented by symbol dot. It is the product of two inputs. Similarly, we have two inputs A and B. At output, what we have A dot B. So if we have 0 0 at input, at output we have 0. At inputs, if we have 0 1, at output again we have 0. For 1 0 at input, again we have 0 at output. But if we have 1 1 at input, so at output we have 1, because 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. So let me show you the simulation of AND gate. Here we have AND gate. Let's start simulation. First discuss the case of 0 0. If we have 0 0 at input, at output LED is off. Similarly, if we have 1 0 at input, LED is again off. If we have 0 1 at input, again LED is off. LED is on only for 1 1, as I told you earlier. Now let's move to our next circuit. Our next circuit is of exclusive NOR gate. Here is the schematic circuit for exclusive NOR gate. Before going to show you the simulation of this exclusive NOR gate, I would like to show you the truth table and working of exclusive NOR gate. Here is a truth table for exclusive NOR gate. It also consists of two inputs. It works on the principle that if we have combination of inputs like 0 0 and 1 1, output is on or it shows 1. But if we have 0 1 and 1 0 at input, at output what we have 0 0. So let me show you the simulation for exclusive NOR gate. Let's start simulation. If we have 0 0 at input, output what we have LED is on. So it represents state 1. Likewise, if we have 1 1 at input, LED is again on and it shows that it's state 1. But if we have 1 0 at input or 0 1 at input, LED is off. So here is the proof of exclusive NOR gate, that it only works if we have 0 0 or 1 1 at input. Now let's move to our next circuit of exclusive OR gate. Here is a circuit for exclusive OR gate. Now let's see the truth table for exclusive OR gate. Here is a truth table for exclusive OR gate. It works opposite to the working of exclusive NOR gate. It works only if we have inputs like 0, 1 and 1, 0. It shows output 1. But if we have input 0, 0 and 1, 1, at output we have 0, 0. So let me show you the simulation for exclusive OR gate. Here is exclusive OR gate. Let's start simulation. If we have 1, 0 at input, output LED is on. Likewise, if we have 0, 1 at input, LED is again on. But if we have 0, 0 at input or 1, 1 at input, LED is off, which shows it works only for 1, 0 or 0, 1. Here is a proof for the working of our exclusive OR gate. Now, let's move to our next circuit. Next circuit is of NOT gate. NOT gate is very simple. Here is a schematic circuit for NOT gate. Before showing you the simulation for NOT gate, I would like to show you the truth table for NOT gate. The truth table for NOT gate is here. It simply consists of one input and one output. It is working like inverter. If we have 0 at input, at output we have 1. If we have 1 at input, at output we have 0. So NOT gate is basically an inverter. Let me show you a simulation. If we have 1 at input, at output LED is off, which means we have 0 at output. But if we have 0 at input, which means output is on, which shows that it is working like an inverter. If we have 0 at input, output, but we have 1. But if we have 1 at input, at output, but we have 0. Now move on to our next circuit. Our next circuit is of NAND gate. NAND gate is the negation of AND gate. Here is a schematic circuit for NAND gate. Before going to show you the simulation, let's have a look on the truth table for NAND gate. Here is a truth table for NAND gate. The block diagram shows that in NAND gate, what we have an AND gate and an inverter. So it inverts the input of AND gate. At inputs, what we have, if we have 0, 0 at input, for AND gate, we have output 0 plus 0, 0.0 is equal to 0. But it inverts the output of AND gate. So at output, we have 1. Similarly, for 0, 1, it has 1 output. For 1, 0, it has 1 output. But for 1, 1, AND gate has 1 input, 1 output. But NAND gate inverts the output of AND gate. And at output, what we have? 0. So let me show you the simulation for NAND gate. Let's start simulation. If we have 0, 0 at input, at output LED is on. Because it is NAND gate, it inverts the input of AND gate. Likewise, if we have 1, 0 at input, LED is again on. For 0, 1 at input, LED is again on. But for 1, 1, AND gate shows output 1, but it is NAND gate. So it inverts the output of AND gate, and at output LED is off, which represents the state 0. Now let's move to our next circuit of NOR gate. Here is a circuit for NOR gate. It is a schematic circuit of NOR gate. It is basically inverting the input of OR gate. Let me show you the truth table for NOR gate. So here is the block diagram for NOR gate. NOR gate, as I told you earlier, is the negation of OR gate. So the Boolean expression for NOR gate is A plus B whole complement. From block diagram, you can see it clearly that we have one OR gate and one inverter. So this inverter inverts the output of OR gate. As truth table is showing that if we have 0, 0 at input, at output what we have 1, which is the inverse of OR gate. For rest of all inputs states, we have at 0 at output. So let me show you the simulation for NOR gate. Schematic circuit for NOR gate. So let's start simulation. If we have 0, 0 at input, at output LED is on. So it's showing the inverse of OR gate. But if we have 1 0 at input, LED is off. Like for all the condition, LED is off for 0 1, for 1 1. Hope you understand the working of all these logic gates. Now let me show you how I can make PCB design for this all logic gates. In order to make a single PCB design for my all schematic circuits of logic gates, I have combined my all logic gate together. In this way, my all logic gates are connected to a single supply with the help of two buttons. As a PCB design for push button is not available, so I use jumper instead of using push buttons. Also PCB package for supply and LEDs are not available, so I use 2-pin connectors instead of using supply and LEDs. Here is a complete schematic circuit of my all logic gates. Now I will tell you that how can you design PCB layout for this schematic circuit. Here is the PCB layout button. When you click on it, PCB layout tab will open. First of all, you have to make boundary edge for your circuit. I use board edge in order to make boundary. After making board edge, I place my all components. Here is a component mode. You have the list of all your components you use in your schematic circuit. I manually place my all components. You can instead use auto placer to place your all components. Here the red cross shows that PCB package for LEDs are not available. So I use connector instead of using LEDs, as I told you earlier. After placing my all components, I have used auto routing to make wires. You can also use manual routing, but it is a quite difficult task to do. So it is preferred to use auto routing. After auto routing, two wires blue and red are shown. Blue represents bottom copper and red represents top copper. Here are so many ICs, so it is quite difficult task to design this PCB for a single layer copper board. I'll design this PCB for double-sided copper layer board. After making my PCB design, I can export this PCB layout into PDF. When you click on output, then export graphics, you can export your PDF file. After exporting your PDF file, you have the PDF of your PCB. So here is a PDF of my PCB. Hope you will understand the working and how can you design the PCB design of all logic gates. Thanks for watching.